Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should have admin access and your registrar login ready before you begin. First, log into Cloudflare and click Add Site. Choose the free or paid plan that fits. Once you add the domain, Cloudflare scans your DNS. This copy is crucial because it becomes the baseline. Make sure to compare the scanned records with your exported backup so nothing is missed. If records are missing, add them now in Cloudflare so your site keeps routing traffic correctly during the switch. Once Cloudflare shows your DNS, methodically verify each CNAME, MX, and TXT entry against your host's records. Discrepancies cause downtime. Then decide which hosts to proxy. Click the orange cloud to enable Cloudflare CDN and protection, or gray to keep direct traffic. Next, set SSL mode based on your origin certificate. Full strict if you have a valid cert, otherwise full or flexible temporarily. Finally, add any page rule. Now update your domain's name servers at the registrar to the two Cloudflare values exactly as shown. Save changes and expect global propagation up to 48 hours, but often much faster. Once done, verify with DIG or DNS tools that NS and a records point to Cloudflare, and that the orange cloud behavior is correct. If your site errors, revert to full SSL or check your origin certificate, purge caches, and recheck DNS records. Most issues are misconfigured SSL or missing a /CNAME record at origin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.